Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you a dash camera installed on Jaguar F-Pace 2018. So we did a 2-channel camera and we noticed a lot of installers are putting a second camera in here as claiming that they cannot reach this area. Now the windshield is kind of built together with the plastic and it's very hard to run the wire in here to here. There's a lot of interference, but there is some ways you can actually check. We have a video on a Jaguar, on a Land Rover, which is the same type of window, and we show step by step how we reach the cable. As you can see, we have the camera on the rear windshield in here, and obviously we don't have any wires visible or anything outside. Everything is nice and clean. So again, check our video on the Land Rover to show how we run the cable from here to inside. There's a way that we do that. For more dash cam installation and other electronics, you can always find us at Car System Installation. Subscribe to our channel and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.